What's up? What's
Hello.
up? What's up, YouTube? What's up, Instagram? What's up, all the other social media outlets? What's going on?
This is Sher.
And I'm Nels. And we are doing our newest vegan mukbang.
Yes.
How excited are you? Because I'm excited.
I am very excited. Look at my salad that I made.
Yes.
It's a jumbo. Mushrooms, tomatoes, onions, ginger, avocado, a guava, what you call that lettuce? Arugula, and spinach.
Ooh, that's a big old salad bowl. And look at mine. It's a bit smaller. But I have my little avocado. I got my little shredded carrots. Underneath that, some tomatoes. And of course, my romaine lettuce. I would have had more like some broccoli and cauliflower and maybe some walnuts or something like that. But I got to keep it real light because I got my braces adjusted today. So I can't crunch down and eat nothing really hard. So I think I can do this.
And we have our homemade
I'm hungry.
salad dressing. I did an avocado ginger salad dressing.
And I got my homemade, your basic vinaigrette, It got the almond oil, distilled white vinegar. I didn't want to do apple cider vinegar. I wanted white vinegar for my salad. That's what I prefer. And then, some herb mix, some paprika, some lemon zest.
Ooh la la.
I wish I had some fresh garlic minced.
Ooh,
that would have been perfect. And now
that sounds good.
And then I wish I had a red onion, but I don't. But it's all good because the salad still gonna be busted, okay? I'm still gonna knock it down.
I love salad dressing. Oh my gosh. And it's homemade, oil free, sugar free. Don't have to worry about the sodium. Not in this. Getting ready to tear into it. So how's your day? How's your week so far?
My day was good. Didn't have to go to work this afternoon. Thank God, because again, I had my orthodontist visit today to tighten the braces, like I said earlier. But my day was pretty good. I got a chance to go to Whole Foods. Got a chance to restock on my produce. Besides that, I went to work early this morning though, but went to bed late, 2 a.m. because I took a nap at 7 p.m. yesterday evening. Woke up at 9:30. I was wide awake for a long time, but yeah, that was my day.
Oh, I'm sorry.
My week was pretty good. Well, it's only Wednesday, but
it's healthy.
Besides that, it's been pretty good so far. Just
That's good. Well, I work today. It was just another typical day.
Okay.
But
what did you do?
I was ready for this. I was thinking about the salad all day. I didn't eat anything all day. I just had my beet juice earlier and dandelion tea earlier and water earlier.
Yeah, I've been thinking about my salad all day too. All I ate today was some walnuts. I had some before my doctor's appointment. I went and I cooked in some what I'm talking about, some cauliflower and some carrots. That was really good. I almost burnt it though, but it turned out great nonetheless. But
that tomato, it's hanging on there. Don't fall. Don't fall. I'm trying to offer the people some. You can't go wrong doing your own homemade salad dressing. I'm gonna do the ranch one next. Well, a little tahini sauce,
vinegar
with my raw cashews, with my 100% almond milk, with a little. No, I'm not gonna put that in there, but just season it with a little cayenne pepper. It's gonna be good.
Sounds good.
Well,
yes, y'all. Over the weekend, I fought off a cold naturally. I didn't take no medicine, but natural. I took my teas. I took my dandelion tea, my ginger teas, my beet juice. Drank my beet juice.
Mushroom.
I also What did I do? We drank a few Ardent Garden juices. A little green, lean and green. Also sorted it out, and it literally lasted a day and a half.
That's
I didn't
wonderful.
come to play. I was like, no, I can't be sick. So I was happy about that. Because usually when I catch a cold, I try to take Alka-Seltzer, but I didn't want to do that this time.
And you didn't take no medicine.
I didn't take no
That's
medicine.
great.
And usually my colds last like 4 days. Like I said, it lasted a day and a half. So.
And how's y'all weather? It's cold here. This morning I think it was 17 degrees when I first woke up. And then when I woke up again, it was 20 degrees. And after that, I just made sure I put on layers and layers of clothes, cover my ears and my throat. I don't like colds. They say there's no cure for a common cold. Food heals. God heals. Food heals. We're already healed, but you know, He give us wisdom to take care of our body. Also, we have the power in us.
But even though it's cold, usually I don't like the cold because I'm from Florida. I'm used to the heat, but I'm loving the cold weather. As long as I'm prepared, that's the key thing for me. As long as I got my little sweater, my boots, my gloves, my scarf. I totally love it. Because actually, it's been off and on for the last few months, the weather. But it was warm for Christmas. Well, yeah, warm for Christmas. Warm for New Year's. It was kind of cool for New Year's. But
not cold.
It just started cranking up to this week. I'm loving it. So hopefully it'll be like that for like a few more weeks. And then, then it can go. Because, you know, my birthday around the corner. I want it warm for my birthday.
I love cold weather. I was born and partially raised in New York. And then, you know, I love the cold. Then we moved to a place where we still have all 4 seasons. Then I relocated to Florida for years. We only had 1 season down there. Really. No fall leaves in the park we was at. We had more palm trees. So I'm enjoying the 4 seasons all over again. I'm loving it. I like the cold. The heat, it'd be too hot. It'd be too hot to try. I mean, for real, it'd be too hot to try. I mean, heat waves and heat just, it just make, you know, it can make people feel rough.
What's your favorite weather? Mine's the spring. It's a mix between a little heat and a little coolness. But that's my favorite time, my favorite weather.
My favorite is the fall, but I like cold weather too.
Fall too for the colors and for the sweaters and boots. You know, you start bringing them out. Yep, summer. Off and on.
Spring.
Love-hate relationship with that.
All that pollen. It'd be a lot of pollen.
They don't bother me much. I'm good. While everybody else around here sneezing and coughing, I'm like.
I used to be like that too. Well, I don't really sneeze. I think it could be a mind thing. Because I be feeling like I be getting a little headache sometimes from the pollen. But I don't know. Maybe it's just because other people say it. It never used to bother me until, you know, I got a little older. I don't know if it bothers me now. But anyway. Yay, winter. Look at that.
It's good. But to be honest, it's missing something.
For yours?
I know exactly what it is.
What, salt?
Salt.
My lemon helped mine.
I ain't helping mine. I need some salt
Okay, let me see.
or some more. Should have added the other half of avocado, make it a little more creamy.
That's what I had to do.
Oh, I ain't got no cucumbers or croutons. That's what I'm missing too. Oh, I love cucumbers, especially when you just cut it up in a
I love
bowl.
croutons.
Add that salt, pepper, and vinegar.
Y'all make your own homemade dressing?
I'm all for homemade foods.
Y'all make your homemade dressing?
I'm trying to get better at that because I want to just like cook food and come up with recipes off the dome. I mean, I do sometimes, but I just want to be that good.
Also what?
The dome. The brain. Yeah, like the other night I was looking at waffle recipes.
Don't forget, people, if you're in the Atlanta, Georgia area, or wherever area you're at, if you would like to come here, I wrote another play. I do stage plays. I write plays. And I will be choosing a month soon to be holding auditions because the next play I want it to be around November. So we have plenty of time. Yes, I want singers, actors, musicians, even someone to help with the prompts and the makeup. We're going to do this. Okay? If you're interested in being in the stage play, comment down below.
Or leave your email.
Look at that.
So she can email you
and
send you some more info.
The last play we did,
Let's look for experience.
people loved it. You don't really have to be experienced. As long as you have the talent. But I do want reliable people. I want people who love to laugh and have fun and know how to read the script. I will go over the script, but you know, just be reliable and come with an open mind to enjoy yourself. You know? Look at that. Mushroom, tomato, arugula. Ooh. Good help. Good help to you. Your braces okay?
I need my braces on the vinegar. Excuse me, y'all.
Got it kind of strong there, huh?
Very. Oh my boy. Milk probably changed colors. No, vinegar changed the milk color. I wonder why is that.
That's that white vinegar you said? Probably the acid in it. Could be. Oh, did I mention I had cucumbers in here too?
I don't know if you told the people that. Did she tell y'all? I think she left that part out.
I think I told them. Yeah. I got cucumbers in here also. Look.
Ooh, going through over here.
You sweating too?
No, I feel like it.
She got that vinegar strong in over there.
And I put a lot in here. I thought it was gonna be enough, but it made it look like it's soup. I don't like it like that. I mean, like it enough to coat everything, but this is beyond.
Mmm.
But next time I know what to lighten up on.
So they're feeling cool? Oh, I was about to eat my hair.
I'm really missing that salt though.
You'll get used to it. You don't want to?
Not that I don't want to, but just ain't no getting used to that.
The way you did your face.
But you got salt. That's like the only thing I need salt on. It's the salad dressing. I can eat saltless everything else.
Thirsty? Get some water. You might need some water too.
I got soup.
Soup and salad.
Hello, Olive Garden. You're missing the breadsticks.
No, your garden. Soup and salad. Nels, soup and salad. Nels vinaigrette soup and salad. How about that? Oh, this is so delicious. 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 I
wonder why it got me sweating. I'm just going.
I'm crunching. She's sopping up. Trying to find her carrots.
Going through over here. Y'all gotta go see. Well, yeah, I gotta go see Bad Boys 3. It was a great movie. Hear my voice. Ooh, the vinegar ain't doing it no justice. Well, it was a great movie.
You saw it?
It was great. I was like, I was kind of a little skeptical at first. Cause I was like, how can,
Don't tell nothing.
I'm not gonna tell. I'm just saying how they gonna get better from part 2. Part 2 was the best one. I loved it. I used to watch it almost every day. And part 3 was really worth it. It was really good. The storyline, the actors, and actresses, everybody.
Well, how many people saw Tyler Perry movie on Netflix? Fall from Grace, that's the name of it?
Oh, Fall from Grace.
That was so good.
No, that was good. It was different and I like it.
I don't understand why people talking about The Wiz. We know it's a Wiz. It's okay. It was still a great movie, okay?
Alright. It didn't take away from the movie. But it was funny though.
Yeah, it was funny, but it didn't take away from the movie, like you said. But that was great. That was great. And I saw a lot of memes when people was talking about free bill. I'm not gonna go there. But anyway, I'm not gonna say
Bill collector call me, I'm tell them to send it to 2989 Sycamore Street. Sycamore. I'm trying to tell you. That's my new address, y'all. I'm gonna tell everybody that. Send it there. Yeah. But congrats to Tyler Perry on that.
Tyler Perry, keep doing your thing. I love the way you write. It's great.
I gotta go out there to the studios and check it out. And be honest, the Oval come on tonight, mid-season finale. Gotta see that. Last week it said the same thing, mid-season finale. So I'm like, 2? Or it's part 2? I don't know. But the Oval is a great show as well. It's different too from all these other shows. Well, the storyline almost the same, but still good.
But let us know if you saw the movie. Let us know if you make your own homemade dressing. Let us know. Give us the ingredients. We might feature it on here, okay? And you know what? This was delish. Delicious.
Tell us what are the recipes, what are the dishes we should try. I'm always down to try something new. Try something different.
Yeah, because she tried soup tonight.
And it was delish, but and more on the healthier side, salt free. But I advise y'all to just add a little pink Himalayan salt. Y'all know I'm still on my detox, so that's why I couldn't add salt.
I'm not detoxing. That's still in salt.
Still going strong. Still hanging in there. Yeah, y'all watch out for me.
Well,
Watch out.
don't forget
To like, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell so you can get notification when we drop our next video.
click
y'all?
click.
Y'all know we consider y'all family. We want to see y'all comment.
That's why we like to feed
reply. We like to read y'all comments. So say hi. Tell us what you like about the videos and things like that. Tell us about your week. Tell us about your day. Tell us about great accomplishments and anything like that. Let us know. We would love to read and we would love to reply. So again, she's
Sher
and I'm Nels, and we out. We out. We out. Hey.